So how do you back up your Android phone to OneDrive? Let me explain the whole thing. Let's get started. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so you need to obviously have the OneDrive app ready. You need to be signed in with your account and everything. And if you are, you can slide the left panel and at first take a look at the storage situation because by default, we all have 5 gigabytes of the storage available. It's for free. So if you don't need more, then you can of course use it for free. If you need more, you need to subscribe and get the plan, one of the plans which is available to get more storage for it. And now it kind of depends on what exactly you want to back up in it there. If you mean the photos and videos, which is the most likely scenario, you can just enable the camera backup, the automatic camera backup. So you can see it in multiple different places, like in the left panel or even in the main section right there. It is always letting me know that it's not turned on, and I can actually enable it. So you can see that I have the ability to enable it. And when I do this, it will access all of the photos stored in my gallery, all of the photos and videos. It will put them in here and I'll automatically upload them to the cloud, which is actually good because I have them stored and safely saved somewhere else, but obviously it's going to fill up the storage real quick, so that's something which you have to pay attention to. When it comes to some other files, well, you can most definitely just click on the plus button and upload anything that you want to back up from your Android phone to the OneDrive. So it might be any kind of file, it might be some kind of documents which you want to store in there, or something specific which you don't want to lose. You can upload it to the OneDrive and make sure that it is in here, and if anything would happen to your phone, you still have a backup file of the same thing. So that's how you can back up your Android phone to OneDrive. I really hope that I was able to explain that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.